Hey, Rit. Good morning again. So this is a video that I'm going to be talking about the project. This is the visual model project for Unit 3. You're going to address 3 of our 5 guiding questions, which are listed there. What molecule works to pass traits from one generation to the next? What mechanisms work to limit variation? What or how does the sequence of nitrogenous bases affect what gene is expressed? How is genetic variation created through natural processes in sexual organisms? And then how is biotechnology used to better understand and improve the lives of organisms, including humans? So you will need one large poster. Those are out on the bench. You'll create a model that connects these 3 of the 5 guiding questions. So you basically draw illustrations and you do a really awesome job. There are some examples of these up in, I know up in Mingmio's room and up in Item's room. I'll ask for a sample to come over to you. And then I'll try to post some uh, on this post. I'll try to put some examples up there. We have a video example of how you do this as well. So you do up a poster, illustrate and describe your understanding how it's changed from the beginning of the unit to the end of the unit using your 3 guiding questions. You follow every single point on here and you will get an awesome grade. This is summative. So this project is a presentation basically in video form, but you do not need to put your face. Like you can be talking just like this and explaining your information. You do not need to be on the screen. So you're going to present that poster electronically as a video link. I use a program called Stream. It's part of the suite of applications that are available through the district. So if you go to your portal, you'll see, I don't know if it can actually, if it can show, maybe I'll try to show what it looks like, but Stream's pretty easy to use. It's very intuitive. And you just, you can use a camera. You can use your phone camera, and you basically record over your projection of what's on your poster. So you present that. You could take a scan of it and then save it as a PDF, and you can put it. You can put that into the program, and you can use it to talk through. And then you're just going to zoom in on those different areas as you explain. Your project will be uploaded onto Google Classroom. It's to be uploaded by Monday. And like I said, this is a summative. This is as much as a test, more than targets. And so we want to see how your understanding is shifted. This is the rubric. I'm going to just read through the 4 because that's really what you're going for. If you go for a 5, that is up to you, but like I'm putting just a 4. So guiding question number 1, you want to know, I want to see that you explicitly point out and describe how the guiding question relates to 3 targets. So you use your targets to explain how you answer the guiding question. Teach each target to the viewer of the video. What does that target mean, and how does it help you understand biology? How does it help you answer that guiding question? So you do those for 3 guiding questions. Each one has 3 targets that you're covering. So you're basically talking through 9 different explicit answers to a demand that's put into a target for you. You're going to use illustrations, include one original illustration so that you have drawn that helps explain the understanding for each guiding question. So you've got to make 3 illustrations, and they must be colored and they're hand drawn. An explanation of understanding, that is the next category. Explanation uses bullet points with critical vocabulary words that are bolded or highlighted and shows in-depth understanding. So you have writing on the poster that describes your understanding so that the poster can stand alone. I can go over there, I can read your little paragraphs and things that are on there and be like, wow, this person really put a lot of care, and this poster can teach someone something. That's what we're looking for. And then you need to illustrate and explain how your understanding shifted. So like, what did you think at the beginning? Did you have any misconceptions? Did you not understand? Talk about what your understanding was and how your understanding has shifted. What have you learned? Describe 2 ways in which that understanding has changed. Make sure that the video is quality, like I can hear you, I understand that video, and that you zoom in on the sections that you are discussing. You do not, like I said, you do not need to be on the video. Your face doesn't have to be on the video. So you will be graded according to this rubric, and want to make sure that you understand each of these points, that you're making a poster, you're going to illustrate and describe what you understand, how it changed from the beginning to end. You present that electronically and you upload it to Google Classroom by November 18th, which is Monday. All right, get after it.